The Australian dream is getting further and further out of reach. For those lucky enough to own their own home, like Nicola Dorborn, the challenge is paying it off before retirement.
Look, I haven't got a huge amount of super, so I really was trying to avoid that scenario.
The 59-year-old's decided to pack up and move, taking on a new home loan with her son and his wife.
I actually found a house online and showed it to them and said, would you consider living in this? And they said, well, yeah, but we can't afford it. And I said, well, what if you could?
Property researcher Kate Brown says Nicola's dilemma is becoming increasingly common.
It's divide and conquer. We're looking at enormous debt now for one or two people to carry.
And the higher property prices go, the longer it's taking many Australians to get over the line for a home loan.
People staying at school longer than university and starting their career later and getting married later. But of course it also partly affects poor affordability. It's taking a lot longer to save for a deposit.
Hey, how you going there today?
Mortgage brokers are also seeing more midlife home borrowers.
We have a lot of clients that are over the age of 40 that we assist with when it comes to obtaining loans or finance, definitely.
But Daniel Lagden says many of his customers have repayment plans worked out.
I think when speaking to most of these people, their goal is that they plan to sell off the home or downsize the property so that when they go into retirement, they're not left with a mortgage.
Economists warn as Australians increasingly take out loans later in life, financing retirement will become more challenging. Mortgage brokers say non-bank lenders are taking advantage of this.
So a lot of the majors now aren't offering that 40-year loan term, but we are starting to see a bit of a trend of lenders coming through, what we refer to as non-banks, that are doing these 40-year loan terms.
I don't think we're going to stop seeing people who are in their 40s and early 50s looking to enter the property market, whether it's on their own after a divorce or on their own, because it's taking that long to be able to get that deposit and feel settled. This is not going to go away. We're an ageing population with a rising property market.
Nicola's hoping her finance strategy will see her retire sooner rather than later.
It's like a little beacon of light, really.
A glimmer of hope in a desperately challenging housing market.